So you want to break into human resources, right? But it can be super tough when every single job out there asks for experience you don't have yet. Well, today we're going to walk through an opportunity that could be the exact breakthrough you've been looking for. Let's dive right in.
I mean, it's that classic catch-22, isn't it? You've got the degree, you've got the passion, but every job posting wants experience that you just can't get without, well, a job. If that sounds a little too familiar, then you're going to want to see this.
Here it is. VishvaVidya is offering a 3-month full-time HR internship. And this thing is designed from the ground up specifically for freshers, people who are hungry for real, actual, hands-on experience in recruitment. And get this, there's no cost to participate.
Now you might be asking, what exactly is VishvaVidya? Well, think of it like a launch pad for your career. It's a whole learning ecosystem built on a really simple but powerful mission to give new talent the skills they actually need to hit the ground running in the workplace.
So, what's the actual role here? It's an HR internship, but it's focused specifically on talent acquisition. This is perfect because it's where you'll build that rock-solid foundation in, the art and science of finding and hiring great people.
And let me be super clear about this. This is not one of those go get coffee and just watch from the sidelines kind of internships. No way. The entire experience is built around you jumping in and making a real, meaningful contribution to actual hiring processes right from day one.
And look at the stuff you'll be doing. It's the whole shebang. You'll be sourcing and screening candidates, scheduling or even conducting interviews, and helping with onboarding. You'll also be coordinating with hiring partners, working with data on recruitment dashboards, and using modern HR automation tools. You're basically learning the entire recruitment cycle, and you'll even have hiring goals to meet.
Okay, so at this point, you're probably asking yourself, is this the right fit for me? That's a great question. So let's break down exactly who they're looking for and cover all the essential practical details you'll need to know.
This is absolutely perfect for BBA, MBA, or PGDM students, especially if you're already specializing in HR. But honestly, beyond the degree, they're really looking for someone with awesome communication skills, someone who thrives in a goal-oriented environment, and, most importantly, someone who is just genuinely motivated and eager to learn. If that sounds like you, then you're exactly who they want to hear from.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The location is Boehner in Pune, and it's a work-from-office role, so you've got to be there. The whole thing lasts for 3 months, and you will need to bring your own laptop. Now, it's really important to note this is an unpaid internship. The focus here is 100% on the incredible experience you're going to get. And last but not least, they're looking for someone who can start right away.
Now for the biggest question of all, right? What's in it for you? Beyond just the daily tasks, what are you actually going to walk away with? Let's talk about the experience you'll gain and the serious edge this is going to give your career.
So, what are the big takeaways here? Look, this is so much more than just a line on your resume. You're getting practical, real-world experience. You'll learn how to use top job portals and modern hiring tools. You'll get mentorship from seasoned HR pros, and you'll build the kind of confidence that only comes from managing the hiring process from start to finish. Of course, you'll get a certificate of internship when you're done, and remember, there's that potential for performance-based incentives too.
So if you're really serious about building a career in HR, and this feels like the chance you've been waiting for to get a strong start, let's talk about exactly what you need to do next. Okay, super important note. Seats for this are limited. This isn't something you want to sit on. To apply, just use the direct link or the email that we put right there in the description for you.
And we'll just leave you with this thought. Careers aren't built in a day. They're built one step at a time by making the right first move. So the only question left to ask yourself is, could this be that perfect first step for you?